Good day, family and friends. So welcome once again to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with your one and only Smokepot. As you can see today, based on my background, I'm outside once again. So we're gonna be throwing down something on the grill once more. So you guys just stick around and enjoy. Today I'm gonna be doing short barbecue beef ribs. All right, doing short barbecue beef ribs. But this time, the sauce I'm going to be using today is going to be a tamarind base. So basically, it's a tamarind barbecue sauce I'm going to be using to base my beef, all right? So stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly as usual my ingredients and the procedures that I adopt while doing this, all right? So as you can see right here, these are all the ingredients I'll be using, right? These are all natural ingredients, apart from, as you can see, I have a little Himalayan salt here, and I have some all-purpose seasoning. These are the only two that have a little bit of salt base in it. Everything else is just natural, because I'm trying to, avoid some of the salt, and I'm taking some of the advices from some of my subscribers. So I'm changing things around. But as we proceed, I'm gonna be adding this is some pimento seed, right? This is pimento seed. It's all grounded. I'm using half teaspoon right here, right? So this is my dry rub that I'm doing. So I'm gonna be doing a dry rub, and then the wet rub is gonna be, as I'm saying, a sauce that I'll be making that's gonna be having some tamarind on it. I'm gonna show you that process also in terms of how I break down the tamarind. So here I have some paprika. Put a little paprika, that helps with color. It also gives us a little hint of pepper, but the aim is, and a little smoky flavor, although I'm going in the grill. This is onion powder, and it's not onion salt, it's onion powder. Right. There again, I use about an half. Most of these is like about a half teaspoon. Here I have garlic powder. Remember, there's a difference between onion powder and onion salt, garlic powder and garlic salt. And these are just the powder, so it's a strictly grounded garlic, grounded onion. I have some turmeric. I try to use this because of the health benefits. Also, with the color. Next, I'm going to be adding a little black pepper. About a 1/4 teaspoon. Ginger powder, all right? Now put about a half teaspoon. I sort of like my barbecue with a little ginger flavor to it. And now here I have my all-purpose seasoning. As you can see, that brand is in what they call Maggi. It's a very beautiful brand. If you can get your hand on it, you'll enjoy the flavor that comes with it. For this now, I'm putting 1 teaspoon. Right, after all of that is said and done, we're just gonna ensure that we're gonna rub this in properly and then leave it to marinate. All right, so it's like so. My gloves on. I want to give this a real nice rub. Right here. Show you guys how I'm gonna make my tamarind barbecue base, and then I'm gonna add a little and allow it to marinate for our next additional hour. So right now I'm gonna leave this to marinate, and then I'm gonna walk you through the process of the tamarind sauce. In the meantime, remember, share, like, subscribe. Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Okay guys, I'm about to make the barbecue tamarind sauce that I told you guys about. So here, this is some sweet tamarind. In the islands, the tamarind that I encounter is usually just tamarind. But for some reason in the States, you have two types of tamarind. You have some that are very sweet and you have some that is very sour. I've never found any in between one. All right, for this process, I'm gonna be using the sweet one to get that, you know, sweet flavor. So I ain't gotta add no sugar, no honey or anything. So for those who don't know what tamarind is, a tamarind is like this. It comes in a shell, right? And all you do, you crack it open like that, right? And then you have that inside. It can be eaten just like that, right? It can be eaten just like that. So you want it, you know, you can, and you heat just like that. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to boil. I'm gonna get some water to a boil. Then I'm going to add my tamarind. These are the tamarind. So I'm gonna add my tamarind to a small amount of water. I'm gonna put them to a boil, and then I'm gonna what we call scald them. And you'll see the process as I rub them out, and then I'm gonna make the sauce. In the meantime, I'm gonna be putting my my ribs on the grill. So as usual, it's a barbecue going on right here. Last week when we did this little thing, all my friends were like, yeah, we gotta do it this week again. And the weather is good. So I decided, yes, I'll just do that. So these are my short ribs that I rub the dry rub on. And I'm just gonna put them on. I put the foil right there. And then I'm gonna finish with the tamarind sauce, and then I'll just basically baste them with it multiple times to get the flavor that I'm looking for. Also today, I'm gonna be doing some grilled fruits and some grilled vegetable. So as soon as I put these on, I'll just show you the fruits that I'm gonna be grilling. So later you're gonna be seeing a very nice video with these beautiful fruits. I'm gonna be doing some apples and some mangoes. Okay. And remember, these are beef short ribs. And we're doing them in a tamarind barbecue sauce. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys the different type of fruits that I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be making some shish kebab because my people said the shish kebab idea last week was so good. So here I have, this is the red apples. I'm also gonna be using golden apple, and this one is called Granny Smith apple. All right. I also have a mango. This mango is almost green, a little on the turn side. Then I have eggplant, and I have some tomatoes, and tomato and garlic. These are what I'm gonna be putting on the skewers. So I'm gonna be back with the tamarind sauce, and then I'll also show you the finished product right here. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my tamarind, and what I did, I put some boiled water, added to it, and I left it for 10 minutes. So now it's easily dissolved. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna rub it up like this, as you can see, to get all the pulp off. So the pulp is now separated from the seed. And then I'm gonna strain it, and then after that, I'm gonna show you the other ingredients I'm gonna be adding to make the barbecue tamarind sauce. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my basically blended, not blended, but this is my tamarind liquid that I have right here. And now I'm just gonna add 2 more ingredients, and then that is what we'll be working with. All right, so firstly, this is some homemade jerk sauce. It involves a whole lot of different seasonings. At the next point, I'm gonna share that with you, but it have a little kick to it. Not too much, so I'm just gonna be putting 1 teaspoon. It's a mix of thyme, scallion, bell peppers, all of that, all right? I'm gonna also add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. If you have soy sauce, you can also add that. That helps with color and also with the flavor. I have some Himalayan salt, not too much. Just put a little bit of that. Alright, and I'm gonna do a little stealing right now by using some ketchup. Under normal circumstance, I would make the tomato sauce myself and show that to you. But based on the time, we're gonna use some ketchup. Alright? We add a little ketchup to that. The sweetness from the sweet tamarind that I use is supposed to give me enough of that balance that I'm looking for. That's gonna counter the pepper and the soy sauce. Plus, in the tamarind itself, there's a little, just a little kick, basically a little beanie bit of what you would call a little zest, you know, but it's more on the sweet side. So we stir this, take a quick taste, and see what type of miracle just happened. That's good. I won't add nothing else to it. Now I have my ribs outside, and instead of basting them, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give them a bath. So I'm gonna dip them and put them back on the grill. So I'm gonna do that next, all right? Oh guys, at this time, as I told you, I'm gonna give my beef ribs a bath. So as you can see, them right here, beautiful and everything. But I want them to take a dive like that into this nice tamarind barbecue sauce that I made. Remember, it's Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. We continue to do our thing, continue to support. See you in a sec. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is the finished product. So this is my barbecue tamarind short ribs. As you know, I did some other skewers, you know, with shrimp here, chicken here, and this is vegetable and fruits. But today, once again, I have a very special guest with me, my brethren. His name is Robert. He's here with us and he's gonna do us the honors of tasting. So this is what his beautiful plate is like. Just a little simple salad with some lettuce, spring mix, and some tomatoes and cucumbers. And then he got some short ribs right there with the sauce. And I want him to just dive in and just tell us exactly what it tastes like.
Hi guys, I'm about to dive in Ron's awesome plate. So here we go. Nice and tender, very sweet, chef. Awesome, man, good job. Go for it. We need a lot of views on this one, guys. Come on now.
So do you, it's actually tamarind based, right? But as you know, it's Smokepot and Balance, and we try to balance things, but we do not try to take away the tamarind taste. Do you taste a little of the tamarind right here?
I do. Definitely.
Right. You know what? Let me take a taste just the same.
Yeah.
Because guys, you know, when my friends are, you know, basically talking about my food, while I do believe them, I know they can be biased, so I want to know for myself. I ain't got my knife like Robert,
right.
do all that nice pretty thing, you know, but I know how to use my knife, remember. Guys, it's very, very good. I added a little pepper, but it's almost, for me, I would put just a little hint of pepper more because I love it. But in terms of a barbecue sauce, it's perfect. Then the smoky flavor, because we did this in the grill, not in the oven, it makes it just a very delicious dish. Try it, guys. As usual, I say, talk to me in the comment section, but also I want you guys to try some of the things I'm doing and let me know if it works out for you. A few of you told me before, but I need more of you to participate. Thanks as usual for supporting. Help push Smokepot and Balance forward. We're gonna keep cooking, and please leave your notification bell on and in the comment section if there's anything you want me to try, even something you think it's crazy. Trust me, I'll work with it. So peace out, one love, Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Subscribe, like, share.